Hey, welcome back to AP Physics. Today we're going to check how a moving elevator can affect someone's weight. So before we can do that, we need to see what the current weight is of a person, and then I'm going to stand on an elevator and I want you to tell me what'll happen. Is the elevator going up and moving faster or accelerating upwards? Is it moving upwards at a constant speed? Is it moving upwards and slowing down? Or is it moving downwards and speeding up? Or moving downwards at a constant speed? Or moving downwards with a decreasing speed? So that's what we're going to be looking at today. The first thing we need to do, I'm kind of scared to do this, is to check what my weight would be without anything moving up or down. So let's do that. Okay. So come on, down. So 162, I don't know if you can see that, 162.1. Now clearly that's all muscle, but that's neither here nor there. Next thing I'm going to do is stand on a elevator and see what'll happen as we go up or down the elevator. So let's do that right now. Okay, I'm currently on the 5th floor and not moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit one of these buttons, either going up or down. I'm not going to tell you which one. I want you to guess what that is based off of my weight. So my weight is either going to increase or decrease. Based off of that information, you should be able to predict whether or not I was moving up or down. So let's try it out. I'm going to just quickly turn this on. And hopefully it stays on. And I'll hit the button. Ready? So it initially decreased and then went back to my original weight. So did I go up or down? Pause the video and take a guess. And the answer was, I am in the basement. So let's go back to the 5th floor. Let's try this again. Let's get back to the 5th floor. Okay. And so now if I hit the 11th floor button, and I'll quickly turn this on, I'll hit the 11th floor button. What you should see is my weight go above 162. So let's see if that's what happens. So I'll stand on here, I'll hit the button. Look at that. So momentarily my weight accelerated because the elevator was accelerating upwards in the beginning. So one more thing, there's another way we could increase my weight, and that's if I slow down, going downwards. So if I'm going down the elevator and I get to the basement floor, I should increase my weight in theory because the acceleration would be going opposite the direction of motion. So let's see what happens when I go down and I start to slow down to the basement. So I'll hit the basement. So I'm on the 5th floor right now. I'll hit the basement button. And as I get closer to the basement, I will step on the scale and we'll see if my weight actually increases or decreases. Alright, we're almost there. So now, look at that. On the other hand, if I slow down while moving upwards, my weight will actually decrease. So we'll turn this on. And I'm on the 5th floor right now, and as I get to the 11th floor, I will stand on the scale, and we should see my weight actually decrease. So there's the button. We're on the 6th floor, 7th floor, 8th floor, 9th floor. All right, I'm gonna stand. 50. Look at that. Finally, if I'm moving at a constant speed, up or down, so not speeding up or slowing down, then my weight should remain the same. So let's see if that's true too. So I am going to hit the button, and as we're moving up at a constant speed, we should see my weight just be my normal weight. So let's try that. I'll hit the button right there. I'll stand on the scale. Look at that. So that's moving at a constant speed. And then around this point, I'm on the 9th floor, I'd slow down.